नमस्ते, मेरा नाम प्रसन्नराज पांड्या जी है। मैं 2000 साल से म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर करके काम कर रहा हूँ। सौरभ बजाज सर, आपका 3 दिन का फ्यूचर रेडी एमएफडी प्रोग्राम बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव और रेडी टू यूज एक्शन देने वाला था। खास करके प्रोफेशनल चार्जेस, बिलिंग और क्लैरिफिकेशन फॉर रोबो एडवाइजरी, ये पॉइंट्स मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे। और सभी क्लाइंट्स का प्रोफाइल एक पूरे तरीके से लिखना कितना जरूरी है, ये मुझे समझ में आया। बजाज सर, आपके सिंपल और सरल भाषा से जो एक्सप्लेनेशन मिला, उससे बहुत से पॉइंट्स क्लैरिफाई हो गए। मैं बजाज सर आपके ब्रांड एमएफडी और पीएमटी प्रोग्राम का लाभ भी उठाना चाहता हूँ। ऐसे ही आगे हम सब मिल के प्रोग्राम करेंगे। आपके लिए धन्यवाद।
Good evening, Sauravji. I attended your 3-day Future Ready MFT session, and it was really very informative and interesting to know many things in that session. Few takeaways was, what are the expectations of your client, and can we really fulfill all the expectation of your client, and how to handle free riders, how to combat with the falling margins. And the most interesting thing was why and how we can charge fees for our advice to our clients. So I really got lots of tips on all these points and other points as well. Thank you so much for a wonderful and informative session. I look forward to be associated with you in future as well. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, this is Paresh Tapewala providing investment and insurance services under the banner My Samruddhi. Recently I participated in the training program called Future Ready MFD organized by Professor Saurabh Bajaj. It is a powerful and effective training program covering various aspects of the business and presenting various strategies to grow business manifold. I have the mission of helping 10,000 families to achieve financial independence with the help of long-term wealth creation as well as wealth protection. However, I was facing the challenge of reaching to the maximum number of people, but I got the solution through this training program. In this 3-day training session, Professor Saurabh Bajaj presented various strategies, techniques, and tools for generation of leads and getting referrals, for building brand, for handling objections before and after onboarding clients, how to raise revenue per client, and how to combat competition from fintech companies, robo advisory, and direct plans. In the nutshell, it is a wonderful training program helping MFDs and other finance professionals to take the business to the next level. Thank you.
हाय, गुड आफ्टरनून। मेरा नाम प्रकाश पंचाल है। मैंने सौरभ सर का अभी 3 दिन का फ्यूचर रेडी IFA अटेंड किया था। बहुत ही अच्छा था, क्योंकि ये पोस्ट कोविड और पोस्ट सेबी के काफ़ी सारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन आने के बाद IFA के लिए आगे कैसे बढ़ना है, कैसे फ़ीस चार्ज करना है, कैसे रोबो एडवाइज़र को कॉम्पीट करना है, ये सारे जो पहलू थे उसके अंदर सौरभ सर ने अच्छा उसको समझाया है। एंड आई एम स्ट्रांगली एडवाइज के इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एडवाइज़र लोगों ने ये सिलेक्ट करना चाहिए। थैंक यू।
Hi, this is Prashant Dimilo, IFA. I have attended MFD program from Saurabh Bajaj. It's a very great program. We are already loving it. It's very helpful for our day-to-day practice, and we can achieve a great success through this program. So every IFA must attend this program for future growth.
Hello, I attended the Future Ready MFD conducted by Professor Bajaj, and it was a very nice session. Professor Bajaj explained everything about the Future Ready MFD in a quite simple manner, and I'm sure that it will help me a lot in my future business. Thank you, sir. Keep on conducting such batches. It would help all IFA a lot. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Hariharan from Mysore. I recently attended the 3 days MFD Future Ready program conducted by Saurabh Bajaj of Nidhi Investments. One thing this pandemic has taught us is to be prepared for the future. The key takeaways of this training program has been how to equip ourselves and overcome the challenges we are facing in our profession, how to handle objections before onboarding the client, how to build our brand. I thank Saurabh Bajaj for this wonderful training, and I look forward to more such valuable trainings for MFDs. I recommend all my fellow MFDs to attend this training program to be conducted in future. Thank you.